This video is designed to give you a brief overview of the Master of Arts in Organization Development at Roosevelt University. Some distinguishing features about the Master's program in OD at Roosevelt are first and foremost that it's a fully online program, allowing for students who have busy travel schedules, work shift work, or have unpredictable work-life balance issues, and it allows you the flexibility to complete your coursework and still maintain your life and work. We have 8-week courses which are accelerated and allow students to complete their degree more quickly. We have a scholar practitioner faculty. That means that our faculty are grounded in the academic literature, but also well-versed and experienced in applying it. Our program features a portfolio project at the end, which allows students to provide actual projects relevant to the competencies of the program, thus demonstrating their experience to future employers. And finally, our program aligns to the global practice framework of the Organization Development Network. The Global Practice Framework is a list of competencies that the field believes are essential to qualified organization development practitioners. And the Organization Development Network is a leading association in the industry. The curriculum of the program is a series of 12 courses. Conveniently, the courses can be taken in any order, except for the final one. The portfolio project needs to be completed at the end. Organizational Culture and Behavior is one of our first courses. Values and Ethics in Organization Development Practice, Group Facilitation, Leadership Theories and Application, Instruments Analysis and Feedback 1, which is looking at instrumentation used at the individual level within organization development practice. Organization Development, a survey course. Instruments Analysis and Feedback 2, which looks at the instrumentation used in group and organizational levels within OD. Executive Coaching, Interventions and Applications, which are very much the nuts and bolts of the tools and techniques that OD practitioners use. Evaluation of Change and Interventions is about the final phase of the OD process, where we're looking at return on investment and how the project met the expectations of the original purpose. Leveraging Diversity, Dimensions and Differences, and finally, the Organization Development Portfolio. Some students are a little concerned about navigating the technology of an online course, as they've never taken one before. This section is just to show you a little overview of how the technology works and that you should not be intimidated by it. Each of the tabs to the left in the Blackboard course site leads to different aspects of the course. Faculty information, syllabus books and readings, the weekly lessons, all shown what the readings are and what the deliverables are. You have a listing for assignments that go into greater detail into how to submit things, the nature of the work that needs to be done, and when it's due. And finally, we have discussion boards. On the discussion boards, students post thoughts in response to various questions that are posed by the faculty. The assignments in the program are very much applied in nature. We take the information that we learn from theory and from research, and we apply it to real OD problems. They may be questions about things that you do in your own current role, or things that you might do in terms of a case study, or in a smaller application of the material that we're learning. There are also a variety of quizzes and exams and courses. They are also given in the online environment. Some of the materials that we use in courses are books. Each course usually has a book or potentially two. We've used Qualtrics in our instruments analysis and feedback classes in order to be familiar with survey construction and implementation. In one of our courses, we take a leadership assessment tool called the Berkman. And students should have access to a word processing program like Microsoft Word or something similar, and Excel can come in pretty handy. And Microsoft PowerPoint or Prezi can also work really well. Obviously, you need a computer. I hope this brief video helped answer some of your questions, and if there are more, don't hesitate to reach out. We want to help you make a good decision about your master's degree program.